So which company are you representing here now?
We are STEM Learning, Mumbai-based organization. I'm looking after the corporate partnership.
Okay. And what innovative idea have you come up with?
Yes. So basically, when you talk about science and maths, is always a challenging subject for the school students, especially for the secondary school students. So there's a gap for science and maths understanding. So we want to eradicate this fear, and we want to make science as a subject where students start accepting this concept. They should understand the core concept of science and maths. So we have designed an easy plug-and-play tabletop hands-on model. So this model basically helps the teachers to understand the basic concept of science and maths. When you talk about law of inertia, or you talk about a plus b square, so we have all mugged up this concept, but we don't know the basic fundamental why a square plus 2ab plus b square makes a plus b square. We don't know that to every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. There's a third law of Newton. So that fundamental is missing, and we want to fill up this gap, and we want that inner concept should be understood by the students. So we have given the practical approach of science. We are trying to change the pedagogy of teaching and learning system, where we have introduced practical plug-and-play tabletop models, and these models are mapped with the curriculum of class 5th to class 10 standard. So this is one of our concept, which is called Mini Science Center.
And how are you feeling this platform? Are you able to connect to people through this? I mean, ICRA.
Yes, so I think this is a fantastic platform where we can know how the innovation is happening throughout the country, and how different entities are participating and using their ideas to give a change to the current issues and the current problems which we as an individual we are facing in it. So everybody has come up with different concept, different innovations. So that's really appreciable. And coming to our program, I feel something unique. I cannot see any of them is doing what we are doing. So we feel even more excited to be a part of this.
Even we are feeling excited, no? Thanks for being here. Thanks for your time.